Hey guys, if your TikTok is lagging a lot, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So first thing first, you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of your TikTok. Head over to Play Store and then search for TikTok. If you see update here like mine, tap on update and update your app. Now for the next step, head over to your settings, scroll below, then tap on apps. Here also you have to search for TikTok, tap onto storage, and clear the cache. Come back onto App Info page, tap on Force Stop, then OK. Now see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then also make sure that you are connected to a very strong Wi-Fi connection. And likewise, if it's still not working, you can try logging into your account via a web browser. So type in TikTok login at any of your preferred search application. And once you do so, get logged into your TikTok via a web browser. If this issue persists, you may go ahead, long tap onto your TikTok app, uninstall, reinstall again. This shall fix your problem.